How do I change the mode?
Or just use the pedal.
With pedals automatically, it's S, M, right?
Yes. Now watch the temperature. Temperature go up really fast.
So which engine oil? What's
5W40.
huh?
5W40.
No, what's the temperature that you want?
What? Don't let it over 260. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, that's all you need. Like more than that, you're gonna die. Throttle wise, 250. Okay. Your steering feels different from before. You see how using engine brake?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you should need to do.
I would say on this car, a little bit more brake. Because the engine generally overheats first on this kind of low speed courses. And this is Castrol SRF right now, it's running, so it won't be boiling.
Were you going faster than this?
Yes, I'm faster than this.
Okay, I don't think you should. I don't trust this car.
I mean, it's okay. Like, I only go very fast when I see shit. Yeah, a little bit slower than What's the temperature?
Yeah, I'm looking at the temperature. Boils up too easily. I think if I put it in the fourth, the engine oil doesn't heat up.
You need to run over 3 to actually get the torque, or 2.5 at least.
Yeah, that's why, because I'm managing the engine temp.
Don't use manual. Manual on this car will increase oil temperature very fast. Just use sport and let it stick in a let it stick in a gear. That will actually be better. Use pedal in sport. It's actually better than full manual.
I think that's because you're not changing gear properly.
No, because like
engine's getting hot, so I'm gonna cool down.
Yeah, it's yeah. It's good.
Yeah, this car, you can't push it if the engine gets heat up this quick. But you see how I can go, how fast I can go, right?
Yeah, that's I will never do that. So scary. Oh my god.
But this car fast. With proper tire.
Well, there are bigger water tanks for me to buy.
Yeah.
Now,
You need oil cooler.
It's bigger radiant.
Yeah, radiator. You need cooler.
There are ones for sale for bigger radiator. I can do
The irony is, you want to go fast to cool down your car
yeah, this car needs to do that.
because it's built for autobahn, right? So what you want to do is you want to use high gear, and yeah, see, it went down a lot. It went 5 degrees went down already. So I'm gonna let it cool down a bit, and then push it a little more after that. It's 242 regular temperature.
No, unless it's like 100 Fahrenheit around, like it won't reach that. Generally, it will be not over 220. Like it will be around 220ish. 240.
Sport, you said, right?
Yeah, put it in sport.
Now engine's too hot. But yeah, I think I got hot. This car has so much potential. I think I know why people want Black Series now.
Well, what?
Black Series.
Okay.
Yeah. Just heavy, but you know. But you see when I'm going fast, you know. It feels really settled, right?
It doesn't feel twitchy at all.
Yeah, no, it feels set. It feels like
It was scary, but I don't think I will die next time.
yeah. And that's because this car is set right. This car is good. Car just has an issue with engine. See, and I'm not. You notice that you're braking way too hard though, right? Because the brakes are working fine for me.
I mean, no, like I don't overheat brake at all.
You never okay.
It's the only time I overheat is when I was like before at California. I don't know, like I didn't want to take auto parts at that time. I don't know like how much the car can actually take. And the brake is, you know, slam on the brake. I was doing it like that. I should not do that.
But you see how well this takes a corner, right?
Yeah, I do this all the time, but I don't do the thing like you do earlier. That is way too serious. I don't do that. I do those like this kind of thing. I'm okay with that.
So I think for you, I don't think you should engine brake because this car can't take the heat. You should use brake.
Yeah. The engine just likes to overheat on low speed. Which is
Yeah.
pain in the ass.
Okay.
it's a little bit overheated.
Yeah, it is.
The tire is down.
Yeah, but it's fine if you just drive it like this. Yeah. Hey, give me more fucking gear. I need to cool down the engine.
Just put in cruise.
Why?
Oh my god, that doesn't sound good.
I can go slower. I don't mind.
I mean, I trust you, so.
I don't think tires are that bad, honestly.
Well,
Yeah, I think this has a good. You didn't overheat the brakes, right?
if you don't slam on the brake.
At Chocola,
What?
your brakes were fine at Chocola, right?
Yeah, because I never actually slammed on the brake, and it's fine.
You have to use a throttle to exit out of the corner. That actually makes line better in FR car. See how it's tucked in with the throttle?
Yeah, no. It's just I tried not to push too much, so maybe one day I can turn the traction control off.
I wouldn't trust traction control off, because like transmission wants to play its own game, right? So
Yeah.
you see that cliff and water,
Yeah.
literally so scary. Well, thanks man, this was fun.